Where was the world's tallest railway arch bridge inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Who became the second Indian to go into space after Rakesh Sharma? Correct answer is option C, Subhanshu Shukla. Which country launched Operation Rising Lion against Iran's nuclear program? Correct answer is option B, Israel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred the Order of Macarius III during his visit to which country? Correct answer is option B, Cyprus. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Canada. Who has been appointed as the new secretary of RAW in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who was crowned Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option A, Suchata Chwangsri. Which Indian cricketer was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rohini Gram Panchayat. Rohini Gram Panchayat is located at Dhule district in Maharashtra. What is India's rank in the Gender Gap Index 2025 among 148 countries? Correct answer is option A, 131. Global Gender Gap Index published by World Economic Forum. Which team won the World Test Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Which two wetlands were designated as Ramsar site in June 2025? Correct answer is option D, both A and B. Khichan and Mannar wetlands were designated as Ramsar site in June 2025. As of June 2025, India has 91 Ramsar sites. Who won the Norway Chess title 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. Who became the first woman officer to serve as an aide de camp to the President of India? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant Commander Yashasvi Solanki. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025 published by Institute for Economic and Peace? Correct answer is option D, 115th. Which date marks the first observance of the International Day for Dialogue Among the Civilizations in 2025 by United Nations? Correct answer is option B, 10th June. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Fertilizer Association of India? Correct answer is option B, Sailesh Mehta. Who won the main singles title at French Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Carlos Alcaraz. Coco Gauff won the women's singles title at the French Open 2025. The 8th edition of Joint Military Exercise Shakti 2025 was conducted in June 2025 between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, France. Who has been appointed as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industry for the term 2025 to 26? Correct answer is option B, Rajiv Memani. Who was sworn in as a judge of the Gujarat High Court in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Justice N.S. Sanjay Gowda. What is the theme for the International Yoga Day 2025? Correct answer is option C, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. International Yoga Day observed every year on 21st June. Which country has confirmed its plan to build 8 nuclear reactors in Iran? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief of Army Staff Strategy? Correct answer is option A, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2025 observed on 5th June every year? Correct answer is option B, Beat Plastic Pollution. What award did Anahat Singh win at the PSA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Women's Young Player of the Season. Which location has been designated as a Greater Flamingo Sanctuary by the Tamil Nadu government in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dhanushkodi. Which country is the number one grape producer in the world in 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Who has been appointed as a part-time member of the 16th Finance Commission of India? Correct answer is option B, T. Ravi Shankar. Which state became the first to implement mobile-based e-voting during municipal elections? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Who is the newly appointed president of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option A, Zhou Ziai. Who has been appointed as the global tourism ambassador for the Maldives? Correct answer is option C, Katrina Kaif. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister? Correct answer is option A, S. Mahendra Dev. Where will India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef around the decommissioned warship INS Guldar? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who inaugurated the IBEX Tarana 88.4 FM station in Uttarakhand? Correct answer is option B, Army Chief Upendra Dwivedi. Who has been appointed as the first woman at the camp to any Indian governor? Correct answer is option A, Squadron Leader Manisha Padi. Which city ranked 6th globally in under construction data center capacity in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai. Which city has been declared India's leopard capital, surpassing Mumbai? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. Where was the Indian Conservation Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Which state is set to establish its first nuclear power plant under India's new small modular reactor mission? Correct answer is option D, Bihar. What was the theme of International Sports Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, choose sports every day. Where has Union Railway Minister inaugurated the country's largest Gati Shakti multimodal cargo terminal? Correct answer is option A, Mansehr, Haryana. Current Union Railway Minister is Ashwini Vaishnaw. Who won the main singles title at the Indonesia Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Anders Antonsen. Who launched the Umeed portal for Waqf property management on 6th June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kiran Rijiju. Which government body launched the Ayush Nivesh Sarthi portal? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Ayush. Where will India's first e-waste recycling park be located? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दिल्ली's होलंबी कालन। दिल्ली के होलंबी कालन में इंडिया का पहला ई वेस्ट रिसाइकलिंग पार्क एस्टेब्लिश किया जाएगा। निकोलस पूरन इज द क्रिकेट प्लेयर ऑफ विच कंट्री हु रिसेंटली टुक रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, वेस्ट इंडीज। What is the World Bank's GDP growth prediction for India in financial year 2025 to 26? Correct answer is option C, 6.3%. Which institution launched the scheme to promote original book writing in Hindi on topics related to economics, banking, and finance? Correct answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Who is the author of the book India 5000 Years of History on the Subcontinent? Correct answer is option B, Audrey Truschke. Who won the 6th Stefan Avagyan Memorial Chess Tournament held in Yarmouk, Armenia? Correct answer is option C, Arvind Chidambaram. The 17th edition of the India-Mongolia Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant was held in which of the following locations? Correct answer is option A, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the BRICS Chambers of Commerce and Industry? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 71st. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for World Para-Athletic Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kangana Ranaut. On which date is the World Refugee Day observed annually? Correct answer is option D, 20th June. Which is the first anti-submarine warship inducted into the Indian Navy in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, INS Arnala. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? Correct answer is option D, India. India's first hydrogen fuel cell bus launched in which city in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Leh Ladakh. Who is the author of the book India's Finance Minister Different Strokes 1998 to 2014? Correct answer is option A, A.K. Bhattacharya. What new system has the Maharashtra government introduced for tracking infrastructure projects? Correct answer is option B, Geotagged Unique ID. Who inaugurated the 2 megawatt canal side solar plant in Patna, Bihar? Correct answer is option B, Nitish Kumar. Which has become the India's first non-banking financial company in the maritime sector? Correct answer is option C, Sagarmala Finance Corporation Limited. On which date is National Statistics Day observed in India? Correct answer is option C, 29th June. Which state recently launched Vidya Shakti initiative? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the India Central Asia Dialogue 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi, India. Which state topped the medals tally at the 78th Senior National Aquatics Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Which state has launched Border Tourism Initiative in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Which portal has been launched by UPSC to help eligible but deprived candidates? Correct answer is option C, Pratibha Setu portal. Where was UN Ocean Conference 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option D, France. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library? Correct answer is option A, Ashwani Lohani. Who conferred the Digital Payments Award 2024 to 25 to Indian Post Payment Bank? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Finance. What is the name of the mascot for the 2025 World Para-Athletics Championship unveiled on 20th June? Correct answer is option B, Viraj. Who has become the first Asian to take 150 wickets in Sena countries? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. When is United Nations Public Service Day observed annually? Correct answer is option C, 23rd June. Who is the author of the book History That India Ignored, unveiled by Union Minister Jitendra Singh? Correct answer is option C, Prem Prakash. When is World Milk Day observed annually? Correct answer is option A, 1st June. Which state government announced OBC status for the transgender community and 50% reservation for Anganwadi workers for supervisor post in ICDS? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Who has been nominated as South Korea's first civilian defense minister in 64 years? Correct answer is option B, An Gyu Baek. India's first green data center established in which city? Correct answer is option B, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in June 2025? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.